Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get Figma student. First, understand that Figma provides a fantastic free educational plan for students and educators. To qualify, you'll need a valid school email address for verification. This special plan unlocks unlimited files, projects, and team members, which is incredibly useful for academic work. You also gain access to powerful advanced features, including comprehensive version history and shared libraries, making collaborative design much smoother for everyone involved. To begin your application, head over to the Figma education page on their official website. Look for and click the Get Verified or Apply Now button to start the process. You'll then need to carefully fill out the application form, providing all your personal and school details accurately. Remember to upload clear proof of enrollment, such as a current student identification card or an official academic transcript, to confirm your student status. This step is crucial for a smooth approval. After submitting your application, the verification process usually takes a few business days to complete. Once your student status is successfully approved, your existing Figma account will automatically upgrade to the comprehensive education plan. This means you can immediately enjoy unlimited design files and collaborative projects without any restrictions. You'll also gain full access to advanced prototyping features and powerful developer handoff tools, which are essential for bringing your designs to life and working with development teams. With your educational plan, you can seamlessly collaborate with classmates on group projects, making teamwork incredibly efficient. Don't forget to explore the vast community resources and templates available for endless inspiration and learning. Take advantage of free webinars and tutorials to continuously enhance your design skills. It's great to know that this valuable educational plan is valid for 2 years, providing ample time for your studies, and can be renewed to support your ongoing academic journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.